Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we search about the application of Wizz and you will enter here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us.